All right, little fish. Snack time for everyone. Woo! Got one! Woohoo! Woohoo! Look at this big one! Healthy food is strong body food. Easy, careful. Oh. Perfect. Let's share with friends. Farm day is a good day. Fresh fish for dinner. Sharing makes everyone smile. Safety circle first, then the fire. Warm and steady, not too big. Smells delicious. Everyone will love it. Hot and tasty. Please share nicely. Yay!
Thank you, adult dog.
Careful, little ones. One at a time. Good job sharing. I'm proud of you. A calm heart helps us make kind choices. Straight lines, steady driving, good farming. Seeds go down, future food grows up. Tight and secure, no leaks. All done. Water helps plants grow strong. With care and patience, plants grow bigger every day.
Just one little carrot, maybe two. So crunchy, so yummy.
White rabbit? White rabbit, those carrots belong to the farm. No yelling. We'll fix this the right way.
I forgot to ask.
Next time, we ask first. That's respect. That's respect. Take a moment to think. Then we'll make it right. Okay. We can replant and learn from this. It's okay, baby goat. I'm right here. Slow breaths. We'll get you comfy. Warm blanket. Good. You're safe now. Dr. Rooster will help you feel better. Good news. Just needs rest and care.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're brave. Keep resting. Rest high. Welcome home, little buddy. Splish splash. Clean and happy. Nice and neat. Almost done. Good eating helps you grow strong. Drink slowly. Good job. Friends help friends, always. Ready, set, go. Race fair, race kind.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win. I'll try my best.
Whee!
I'm fast.
Steady, steady. I can do it.
Great racing.
Great sportsmanship.
Good job, Rabbit.
Thank you. You were amazing too.
Winner, White Rabbit. Second, Pig. Both did great.
Ice cream time. One each, please.
You're welcome, Slow Bites.
Yum.
Thank you.
Here you go, Llama.
Sweet.
Napkin for your snout. Careful, cold treat. One cone for you, cow. Oops, it's okay. Try again.
Oh dear, slippery cone.
No worries, Doctor. I'll get a new one. Fancy lick, peacock.
Chit chit.
Yummy.
Enjoy, turkey.
Harvest time. Great job, farm.
Machines help us work faster when we use them safely.
Pop, 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 pop. Popcorn is made.
Movie night needs popcorn. All set. Friends will love this.
This part is funny.
Shh, enjoy the show. Whoa! What kind of egg is this? Hold on, egg. Nice and gentle ride. Warm and safe. Hatch when you're ready. Hatch when you're ready.
A baby dinosaur. Hello, little friend.
Bath time.
Splash, splash.
All cozy now. Healthy berries. Yum! Good choice. Greens are great. Sip, sip. Good hydration.
Careful, watch where you run.
Whoa! Oh, you grew so fast. Still my gentle friend. Yeehaw! Slow and safe. Don't worry, I'm moving it slowly. Whoa, bigger!
Okay, we'll be extra careful.
I'm here. We'll get you checked. Slow steps. You're doing great. We're almost there. A small injury. Bandage and rest will help.
Thank you, Doctor. We'll take good care.
Gentle water helps flowers smile.
Hey, silly splashes.
Oh no, fire! Everyone stay calm and move to safety.
This way. Keep going.
Firefighters help! Stay back and stay safe.
Water on the flames, slow and steady.
Hot spot? Then we're safe.
You saved us, adult dog. Thank you for helping everyone.
We help each other and we stay safe together.